What distinguishes a planet from other celestial bodies? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what makes a planet different from other objects out there? It is a fascinating question that touches on the very nature of our solar system. To understand this, we need to look at three key characteristics that define a planet. First, a planet must orbit the sun. This is what sets planets apart from moons or satellites, which revolve around other planets. For example, Earth orbits the sun, while our moon orbits Earth. This distinction is fundamental in classifying celestial bodies. Next, we have hydrostatic equilibrium. This is a fancy term that means a planet has enough mass for its own gravity to shape it into a nearly round form. In simpler terms, a planet is spherical because its gravity pulls everything towards its center, overcoming any rigid forces that might keep it from being round. Think of it like a ball. If you have enough material, gravity will pull it into a shape that is as round as possible. The third characteristic is that a planet must have cleared its orbital neighborhood. This means it has become gravitationally dominant in its orbit. A planet does this by either consuming or ejecting smaller objects nearby. For instance, Earth has cleared its orbit of debris, while Pluto, which meets the first two criteria, has not cleared its neighborhood and is classified as a dwarf planet. Now, what about other celestial bodies? Objects that orbit the sun but do not meet these criteria are classified differently. Dwarf planets, like Pluto, fit the first two characteristics but fail to clear their orbits. Smaller objects, such as asteroids and comets, are categorized as small solar system bodies. From a political perspective, these definitions play a significant role. They influence educational standards and international scientific cooperation. Clear definitions help guide funding decisions and public communication about space exploration. Policymakers need to support updated scientific definitions to ensure consistent terminology in space governance. In summary, the three main characteristics that distinguish a planet from other celestial bodies are its orbit around the sun, its spherical shape due to gravity, and its ability to clear its orbital path. Understanding these distinctions helps us appreciate the complexities of our solar system and the objects within it.